Hey guys, this is Andy with RC Journeys with another video where every day is a journey. Alright, we're going to take this scooter apart and we're going to put it in the trunk. Got this phone on a little stand here, so I'm going to do my best here to try and show you guys. But first thing that has to come off, this is a super handy scooter. First thing that has to come off is the chair. So here we go. Sorry about the adjustment, guys. Now we got a little clip here that has to come off. We got a little clamp that has to come off. And the chair comes right off. Folds up and stick it in the trunk. Alright, we got that. Next. Oh. Let's take this basket off of here. Now, we got a little clip down here on the center of the center of the body post. There's a little clip here. Push the tab in, release it, and it folds up just like that. Oh, put the pegs up, and it folds up just like that. Boom. Let me make sure you guys can see that. Oh yeah. Alright. We got a little bungee cord right here where we can attach. Let's move this wheel out. Alright, there we go. Now we can attach the bungee cord to the little hoop here and lock it in place. There we go. Now it's all one piece. Now it's the bottom one. There's two clips. It's the bottom one you got to take out. Loosen it up a little bit and pull the handlebars out. Bingo, there you go. Oh, don't forget to turn the scooter off. It's all done. One big package. Now we'll try to stick it in the trunk. 39 pounds. There you have it, guys. She's in the trunk. This is a Hyundai Elantra. Trunk's pretty big, so I guess you get to see how everything fits in there. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video. It's been another video at RC Journeys, where every day is a journey, and we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.